Are you ready to send it, dude?
Oh, dude, I'm absolutely ready to send it.
Oh yeah.
Excellent, excellent.
I'm gonna smash my vlog with your vlog. Check this out.
Yeah, vlog smash, dude.
Oh yeah, dang, homie.
The duel of the vloggers.
Gotta like, comment, subscribe for that. Oh, yeah. That was lit.
So that's what we're aiming for right there. It's great white here at Seaworld. We'll see ya when we're there. Whoa. Whoa, saw dudes. I think I caught you guys. Well, nice throw, man. Nice throw, Luke. We're at great white now. We're the quick transition. Yeah. Really efficient for sure. That was a great little ride. Wow. Forceful. Smooth too. Next ride.
Next ride.
It's still faster than Icon.
Intimate worship. That's fun. I like that a lot. Pretty good, right? Side to side. Yeah, it's really good.
How did you find that, dude?
It's fun.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your rescue mission with us here at Wavebreaker, the Rescue Cluster.
Oh yes, so that's Wavebreaker here. It's pretty awesome. I'm now looking forward to experiencing the park's biggest attraction, which is known as Steel Eel. Oh wow, I knew flamingos honked, but I didn't think they sounded like that. This little guy, look. Ah. Hey guys, I don't want to scare anyone, but somebody lost their soul on this ride.
Yo, actually there. I'm really scared out here.
Mark, are you excited?
I'm so excited right now. This is honestly the ride I was looking forward to the most in the park.
Nice. Here we go.
Look at that. Oh, that's genius. Yo, Saudi. Guys, if you feed us, the water's more back.
Here we go. Let's send it, dudes.
Let's send it.
Send
Let's
it.
go. Seems relatively dry.
I'm not sure I like the fact that it's wobbling.
Dude, imagine like switching ships and you gotta like walk up that. Yeah, it's a good day.
Man, check out this view. Here we go.
Wait, where's the attendant?
Oh my god. Where are they?
They're gone.
Just a friendly reminder that bags and purses are not allowed on Journey to Atlantis. If you have a bag or purse and plan on riding, you must leave it with someone who is not riding or in a guest bunker.
Are we going
Once
forward?
again, bags and purses are not allowed on Journey
Are we getting
to
the forward side?
Atlantis.
No, backwards. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
I think you go backwards this way.
We just got a 360. How sick was that 360, guys? That was sick. Check it out. Here we go. This is Journey to Atlantis. Although we're going backwards, so is it Journey from Atlantis? I don't know. Here we go.
Okay, we got the credit.
Yeah, here we go.
Can we go backwards?
Backwards. Why not?
Finish. Keep spinning it. Just keep spinning again.
Here we go. Oh yeah.
That one in my mouth.
How was that, dude?
That's honestly my favorite ride in the park. It's so cool. Amazing.
We are, man. Like soaked. Let me demonstrate.
Okay, so as you can see, that's SeaWorld. We're now off to see the world, so I'll see you in the world.